Hello and welcome back to another wonderful read aloud. Today we're going to read a beautiful little story that is published by Book Dash. Book Dash gathers creative professionals who volunteer to create new African storybooks that anyone can freely translate and distribute. To find out more about Book Dash or download this beautiful book, visit bookdash.org. The name of our story today is Why Birds Sing at Dawn. It is written by Zanele Dlamini and illustrated by Emmanuel, Greco. This work is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 license. So, let's turn the page, kids, shall we? A long time ago, in the forest of Happy Land, birds and trees could talk to each other. There was a bird family with 3 children, blue, pink, and yellow. They all lived on a big wise tree called mango. Mama Birdie's voice was beautiful. She would wake up early to sing her song. But drought set in on the land. Rivers dried up and leaves fell off. Mamango thought long and hard. Maybe we should get the magic worm that brings rain. But who can go? I will go. I am not afraid, Mama Birdie said. Everyone missed Mama Birdie and her song. Would she ever find her way back home? Let's find out. What if we sing Mama's song? Yellow asked. But I don't know how to sing, cried Pink. Mama said if we sing her song, she will find her way back. Have you tried singing, Yellow? Mamango asked. I have tried singing. I can teach you, you know. Early next morning, Yellow sang Mama's song. It's a beautiful morning. We wake up and shine. And you know what? The rain started falling. Eventually, all the birds joined Yellow in song. Mama Birdie found her way back to the happy land. And from then on, birds sang at dawn. The end. If you're looking for more great books like this one, please do visit Free Kids Book. You can look for the URL in the description below. Or for any other question, don't forget to DM us. Until then, have a good day. Bye.